Hello everyone! Have you ever wished you could collect product details from any website without wasting time copying and pasting everything manually? And what if I told you there's an AI tool that can scrape all that data for you in just a few clicks? No coding required? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you Thunderbit.com, a next-gen AI web scraper that makes lead generation and data collection super fast and super easy. The best part is, you don't need to be technical to use it. It works as a simple Chrome extension. Getting started is very simple. Just go to the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome, and then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once it's installed, sign up using your Google account, and you'll instantly land on the Thunderbit dashboard, ready to start scraping. Now let's test it out with a real example. I'll head over to asos.com and pick a shirt. Priced at $76. Normally, to get details like size, brand, product code, and description, I'd have to scroll through the page and copy everything one by one. That's slow and frustrating. But with Thunderbit, I simply click the extension, press the scrape button, and let the AI do the work. Within seconds, the result table is ready, showing me all the details. Product name, URL, price, images, sizes, product code, colors, and more, all neatly organized. Let's try another one, this time a bag. I'll select the product, click scrape, and again, Thunderbit quickly collects the details. In the result table, I can see product name, URL, price, product image, available colors, and so much more. The process is the same every time. Just a couple of clicks and you have all the data you need. Now, let's take it up a notch and try Amazon.com. Here, I'll choose a watch priced at $98. It has multiple color options, so I'll select my favorite and then hit scrape. Thunderbit instantly gathers all the important details, including product name, URL, brand name, final price, rating, category, ranking, dimensions, Amazon's choice tag, seller URL, and many more attributes, all in seconds. To give you one more quick example, let's pick an iPad pen. Just like before, it comes in different colors. With one click on scrape, Thunderbit shows me everything. Prices, product images, color variations, weight, and more. And that's the beauty of Thunderbit. Whether it's clothing, accessories, electronics, or any other product, across platforms like ASOS, Amazon, and beyond, you can scrape product details instantly. No hassle, no manual effort, just clean data at your fingertips. If you want to try it out yourself, the link is available in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tools, and I'll see you in the next one.